Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is n factorial plus n is equal to n cube. In this problem we have to find the value of n. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So here we have given n factorial plus n is equal to n cube. So just move this term to the right side. Now it will be n factorial is equal to n cube minus n. So here we have n factorial. So for example 3 factorial is equal to, we can write this 3 times 2 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times, so 2 factorial we can write this 3 minus 1 factorial. So 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2 factorial. So same as we can write n factorial n times n minus 1 factorial. So now in place of n factorial we will write n times n minus 1 factorial n cube minus n. So n times n minus 1 factorial. So here you can say, here we have n cube minus n. So in these two terms we have common, that is n. So we are taking out n as a common. Here we will write n square minus 1. So now divide by n on both sides. So these both are get cancelled. So now n minus 1 factorial is equal to n square minus 1. So here n minus 1 factorial we can write this n minus 1, so same as n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial. So in place of n minus 1 we will write n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. So here, so this is 1 square. So this is in a form of a square minus b square. So we know this formula, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So use this formula. Here we can write n plus 1 and n minus 1. So divide by n minus 1 on both sides. So here n minus 1 n minus 1 n minus 1 n minus 1 get cancelled. So now it will be n minus 2 factorial is equal n plus 1. So let us consider that n minus 2 is equal to r. So from this equation we can write n equal to r plus 2. So now in place of n minus 2 we will write r or factorial. So here we have n. So in place of n we can write this term r plus 2 plus 1. R factorial is equal to r plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. So now if r is equal to 0, so put this value in this equation, then we will get 0 factorial 0 plus 3. So here 0 factorial which is equal to 1 equal to, so 3. So here 1 not equal to 3. So this is not right answer. So next, so if r equal to 1, so put this value in this equation, then it will be 1 factorial 1 plus 3. So 1 factorial which is equal to 1 equal to 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. So 1 not equal to 4. So this is also not right answer. So coming to r equal to, so if r equal to, so put this value in this equation. So now it will be 2 factorial 2 plus 3. So here 2 factorial which is equal to 2 equal 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. So here 2 not equal to 5. So next r equals 3. So put this value in this equation. So now it will be 3 factorial. So 3 plus 3. So here 3 factorial 3 times through 2 times 1 factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1. So 3 plus 3, 6. 3 times 2, 6. 6 equal 6. So 6 is equal 6. So R equal 3 is the right answer. So now we need to find the value of n. So here we got R value. So just to find the value of n equal to R plus 2. So just substitute the value of R in this equation. So then we will get n value. N equal 3 plus 2. So n equal 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So this is the value of n equal 5. Now let's verify. Let's verify is this value right or not. So the question is n factorial plus n is equal to n cube. So now it will be 5 factorial plus 5 is equal to 5 cube. So here 5 factorial, which is equal to 120 plus 5. So 5 cube, which is equal to 125. So 120 plus 5, which is equal to 125 is equal to 125. So this is true. So n is equal to 5 is the right answer. Thank you for watching.